Hi guys. So many people were asking about what is the difference between AccessOff and the internal accessibility management inside of every platform. And this video is dedicated to answer your question by showing you the difference between AccessOff and the internal accessibility management inside of Hostinger. So as usual, we go and log in to Hostinger. First of all, we go and we put our username and password. And here guys, after we logged in, we can see on the bottom left, we have account sharing, which is the internal accessibility management inside of Hostinger. We go to grant access, and whenever we want to grant access to someone, you're gonna be seeing that we're limited to two roles, collaborator and admin. But even in the admin role, we're limited to certain accessibility. So for example, we're limited to the domain, to the email, and to the hosting inside of Hostinger, nothing else. But for example, what if I want to give an admin access to the domains, but I don't want them to be able to renew the domain because it will affect that the billing. What if I want them to have access to the emails but not going to the mailboxes, just to manage them? And here comes the power of AccessOff. So whenever you press on the icon of AccessOff, you're gonna see here in the restrict access to, you will be able to see that yes, we disable emails, websites, billing, whatsoever, but also we can go as deep as disabling the domain renew button or emails mailboxes. And of course, the power of restricting each page by page. So for example, I don't want them to go to the VPS or the billing or all services. We can just go and copy paste the URL, paste it here, and it will be restricted. This is the power of AccessOff.